Yo, what's up, guys? I haven't did a video like this in a while in this particular style, but it's cool to switch it up every once in a while. So, we've talked about different ways to make money online. I gave you some tutorials, some do-it-yourself videos in case you couldn't find someone to do these things for you. I showed you how to do it. Using sites like Placeit.net, Fiverr.com, Udemy.com, Canva.com, all great sites showing you ways that you could be creative to make money online. These are just a few, it's just a tip of the iceberg. And like I told you guys before, once I learn something new, I would definitely be sharing it with y'all, new ways to make money online. I'm going to test it out and verify to make sure it works. Those methods I gave you are good methods. They work. So I shared it with you because I want to see you guys win out there. That's the model here. Helping each other win. Now, with that being said, I am looking for a good marketer. Not just someone that says they can market real well. I need to see proof. I need to see a track record of what they can do, because I'm trying to push this channel to the next level. I have products I'm trying to push. I am looking for a marketer, someone that can boost sales, boost traffic, which turn into conversions. Someone that's good at those things. We have certain skills that we're good at, but there are some things that we have to hire people, and there's nothing wrong with that. Never be afraid to outsource the things that you need when it comes to business. Make sure you find a reputable person. My search right now is find a good marketer. Someone I could partner with that's going to push things along. And of course, the more business I get, I can get them a raise. So it's a win-win situation. It's a two-way street with this. So if any of you are listening to this, feel free to email me or reply in the comments. My email is laptoplifestyle84@gmail.com, and I need to see your track record. I need to see for sure that you're good at what you do. It's all about growing, people. Now, if any of you know any other ways to make money online that's verifiable, definitely email that to me as well, so we could talk about it. We have a good discussion on it. I'm to the point where I'm trying to have multiple ways to make money online, many ways that I could share. We could chat back and forth with it. We can bounce ideas, create a product. If you need help with something creative to create a product, I can show you how to do it, depending on what it is. Or if I need help with something, I will ask you guys out there as well. It's about networking. That's what causes things to grow, and it helps you make money. That's a good thing about networking. Build a relationship, and it can help you grow. Excuse me, guys. But you can email me at laptoplifestyle84@gmail.com. So, I want to know what you guys think about mining Bitcoin. I've gotten a message today on Facebook, a direct inbox. I have people all the time email me, people I've never seen before. I don't know them. I check the profile, and it says something in the description. It has a Bitcoin chart, the same old. And I say the same old because it's so many profiles like that inbox me throughout the week. And then, I check the profile out. I scroll down. I see that the profile's been created maybe a week ago. Or if the profile's a month old, they're just uploading 2 pictures on there. There's no body to their page. So I'm thinking it might be a robot or some kind of spam. Then, the inbox, they're asking me how I'm doing, where I'm from, where I'm at. And then it will go to, will you be interested in Bitcoin mining? So guys, what do you think about Bitcoin mining? Is it legit? I've got on so many mining sites I tried, and they all failed. Some I lost money in. So I'm skeptical about the whole mining thing. And if someone inbox you and says you would turn $10 into $100, $20 into $200, stuff like that, no, I'm not really sure if that's true or not. So some of these sites will let you get a payout one time. Because like I said, I tried it before. I'm telling you guys to beware. But what do you think of Bitcoin mining? Are there any legit mining sites out there that you can invest in and get your money? I invested in one, and when it come time to get payment, because I had a good amount in my balance, and it kept saying error each time I try to hit withdrawal. It was always something screwy, something like that happens. So I want to know, what do you think of it? Now, I do have a site. I'm affiliated with Cubitech or Qubit Life. It's the same thing. And the link will be in the description. That actually is a good site. It's not mining. It is trading on the behalf of you. You invest, and what happens there is you have professional traders trading, and you get a profit. Now, this site to me is legitimate. I've been on some sites like that before, and they didn't work out. But this one, they've been picked up by Yahoo Finance. It's a new company. I'll post that link in the description box so you can read the article on it from Yahoo Finance. And it talks about Cubitech and what they intend to do. And they also have an official YouTube channel as well. But I've received my money fast. And what I mean by fast is it didn't take a whole week. It took 2 days to get my money that I've earned. But the thing is, you have to have a minimum of $10, which is no problem. But this is a site that pays. You will get your money. The link will be in the description. Check them out. And when you click on my link, you can also see the videos, testimonials on it. You can see the owner. You can see the CEO. You can see how we are growing in different countries. Now, if you're in the USA, you need a VPN. So find your VPN, turn it on, and put it to another country. Then you'll be able to get on the website. And that's about it, guys. It's more of a video where I'm getting thoughts out. Random thoughts, financial thoughts. So we'll go back to the beginning. I've showed y'all different things online, and we could bounce ideas back and forth on how to make money online. And the second thing is I am looking for a great marketer to market my content, because it's going to take a team to make this thing grow. So let me know what you think about mining as well. All right, guys. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.